Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake the only way. First, let's prepare our delicious batter. Begin by gathering 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry, stirring until the batter is just smooth. This ensures a perfect consistency for frying. Now, let's get ready to fry. Pour about 3 inches of vegetable oil into a large, heavy-bottomed pot or a deep fryer. Heat the oil to a precise temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture. While the oil heats, set up a wire rack over a few sheets of paper towels. This will be for draining your freshly fried funnel cakes. Finally, pour your prepared batter into a funnel with a small, controlled opening. It's time for the fun part, frying. Hold your funnel about 2 inches above the hot oil. Release the batter in a continuous, overlapping circular motion, creating a beautiful, intricate design. Fry each funnel cake for approximately 1 minute per side, or until it achieves a lovely golden brown color. The key is to work quickly and confidently. Once golden, carefully lift the cooked funnel cake from the oil using tongs, allowing any excess oil to drip off. Almost there. Once removed from the oil, immediately place your hot funnel cake onto the prepared wire rack to drain any remaining excess oil. This helps maintain its crispiness. For that classic finish, generously dust the warm funnel cake with a good amount of powdered sugar. You can also get creative with toppings like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. Serve your delicious funnel cake immediately while it's still warm and wonderfully crispy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.